So now that we've set up the world states, the world tags, it is time for us to make sure that actors actually exist within a world. And we do that by adding a component to our actor. This is the default scene that you see when you start off the project. And if you don't have it, this is the scene that's loaded right now. In the third person folder, there's the LVL third person. And within it, there's also a blueprints folder. And this is where our actor actually exists, the player, the character. Which is perfect because this is where we want to add the intersection between the other world and the actor that is supposed to be reacting to world state changes. It is important that you do this for the character because the character will be used as a base for activating and deactivating the world states, the world entities. We do that by adding a world entity component. And this is basically all we need to do to make sure that an actor actually interacts with the system. On the right side here, you have these two properties which are important. The first one is which world will the actor start in. In our case, I'm just going to set it to world A. And also which worlds will this actor actually exist in. And the player, you usually want it to be existing in all worlds because you don't want the player character to disappear within a world. But you might want to change the state of it. One example with that would be changing from a physical state to a ghost state. If you'd play a character that would transform into a ghost in a way, you could make it invisible, etc. In this case, we just want to make sure that it exists in both worlds. We don't want it to disappear. And that is all we need to do to make sure that the character exists in all worlds, and it starts off with the world A.